In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Onedrive Exe Bad Image error status 0xc0000020. If you've encountered this issue, you know just how frustrating it can be, especially when you're relying on OneDrive for seamless file synchronization. Don't worry, though. We're here to guide you through the process step by step, and by the end of this tutorial, you should have everything up and running smoothly. First, let's start by understanding what this error code means. The bad image error typically indicates a problem with the program files or possibly an issue with system integrity. When you see error status 0xc0000020, it's usually suggesting that a necessary library required by OneDrive to function properly is damaged or missing. To begin, make sure OneDrive is completely closed. You'll need to right-click on the OneDrive icon in your system tray, which is typically found in the lower right corner of your screen. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to click the arrow icon to reveal hidden icons. Once you've found it, click Close OneDrive to ensure it's not running in the background. This step is crucial as trying to fix the program while it's running can lead to errors. Next, we'll run a system file checker scan. This handy tool can automatically find and repair corrupted system files that might be causing the error. To do this, launch command prompt with administrative privileges. You can do this by searching for CMD in the search bar, right-clicking command prompt, and selecting Run as Administrator. When the command prompt window opens, type SFC scan now and hit Enter. This process might take some time depending on your system's health, so be patient. Once it's complete, the scan will provide a report on any issues found and whether they have been fixed. Now, if the system file checker has done its job but you're still facing the same error, we want to uninstall and reinstall OneDrive. Go to the settings on your PC and navigate to Apps. Scroll through the list to find OneDrive, click it, and select Uninstall. Following the prompts will remove OneDrive from your system. To get OneDrive back on, you'll want to visit the official OneDrive download page from Microsoft's website and download the latest version. Once it's downloaded, open the installation file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This fresh installation should overwrite any problematic files that were causing the bad image error. Lastly, once everything is installed and set up, restart your computer. This step ensures that all new settings take effect, and it gives your system a fresh start. And that's it. Your OneDrive should now be functioning without the bad image error. Feel free to give it a test to make sure it syncs correctly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you run into any other issues, be sure to reach out for support or check for additional guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.